Snoring can be quite comical, but it can also making sleeping more difficult. Some people snore so loud they wake themselves up or make it impossible for their partner to get a good night's sleep. 75% of people who snore also have obstructive sleep apnea, which means that they may stop breathing for short periods of time as they sleep. This condition is quite serious as it increases the risk of developing heart disease and may result in death. How to stop snoring? According to the Mayo Clinic, snoring occurs when air passes through relaxed tissues in your throat, causing them vibrate as you breathe, which creates those irritating sounds. The best way to clear your sinuses and respiratory tract is to nourish your mucous tissues with this delicious drink. Ingredients: 1/4 piece of fresh lemon, 1 2-inch piece of ginger, 2 apples, 2 carrots. Instructions: clean all the ingredients. Peel the ginger and cut into slices. Cut all the ingredients, removing the core of the apples and the seeds of the lemon. Blend all the ingredients together. Enjoy a few hours before bedtime. If the taste is too strong, add a spoonful of honey. If your problem is severe, try taking a hot shower before bed or using an ET pot to help open nasal passages. It's also important to stay hydrated to prevent your mucus from becoming sticky and hard to drain. If you like our video, please give us thumbs up and share this video with family and friends. Thanks.